How to log into GitHub account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can log into your GitHub account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to log into your GitHub account, all you have to do is just go to github.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Once you go to the website, on the top right hand side you can see sign up. So if you have not created an account, you can just click on the sign up option in order to fill in the information and then join GitHub and then start creating your account. But if you already do have an account, you can come back and then instead click on the sign in button from the top right hand side of the screen. Then all you need to do is simply make sure to enter your username or your email address over here on this field, and then it'll ask you to simply enter your password, so make sure to enter your password as well. If you're not sure about your password, you can click the forgot password button in order to reset your password using your email address, or else what you could do is just click on the sign in button and then you'll be successfully logged into your GitHub account. This is simply it on how you can sign into GitHub. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.